Hello everyone, welcome to our Christmas table decoration videos. It is the most wonderful time to the year. We are excited to share our favorite Christmas table decoration ideas with you. Get ready to make your holiday gatherings merry and bright. Let's get started. So guys, if you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing designs. Start with a festive tablecloth or runner to set the mood. Add some Christmas themed centerpieces like candles or vases with evergreen branches. Use Christmas themed plates, napkins and cup. Add a pop of colors. Create a festive tablescape with Christmas decorations like reindeer or a snowman. Add some sparkle with glittering decorations or fairy lights. Use festive colors like red, green, and gold to create a holiday look. Make your table setting cozy and inviting with a warm lighting and a placement and coaster to add a personal with touch. Create a winter wonderful with snowflake decorations and frosty glassware. Add some festive flair with Christmas themed table and decorations like holly or mislighted. Use candles and evergreen branches to create a warm and welcoming ambience. Make our Christmas table sitting shine like lights and garlands. Get creative and have fun with your Christmas table decorations. Use festive table decorations to add a personal touch to your holiday gatherings. Create a moment Christmas dinner with beautiful table decorations. Make your holiday gathering special with festive table settings. Add some festive chairs to your Christmas table with decorations and lights. Create a magical Christmas atmosphere with table decorations and lights. So guys, if you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing designs. If you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it. And if you want more home interior designs and home decoration ideas, so you can please visit my channel. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. Thanks for watching our Christmas table decoration video. I hope you found something inspiration for your holiday decor. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the